Hello, Namaste student. I am Monica, subject Math, grade 5. This video is part 2 of chapter number 1, more on large numbers.
Topic: Ordering numbers. Ordering numbers mean arrangement of numbers either from small to big or from big to small. Let's take very simple example. Aryan, Vyom, Bhavya and Dev are 4 friends. Their heights are 159 cm, 172 cm, 169 cm and 168 cm respectively. Can you tell who is the smallest and who is the tallest? In order to decide who the tallest boy is, we will have to arrange their heights in a particular order. So, Aryan 159 cm, Dev 168 cm, Bhavya 169 cm and Vyom 172 cm. With this, we get that Aryan is the shortest. Now, we will find out who is the tallest by arranging the heights in decreasing order. Vyom 172 cm, Bhavya 169 cm, Dev 168 cm and Aryan 159 cm. With this, we can get that Vyom is the tallest boy. When we arrange the numbers in an increasing order, it is known as ascending order. And when the numbers are arranged in decreasing order, and then they are known as descending order. For ascending, check the smallest number from the given list and place it first, and then put the numbers according to the increasing order. For descending, check the biggest number from the given list and place it first, and then put the numbers according to the decreasing order.
Ma'am, this is very simple example. But in the exam you will not ask us so easy question, right? For that, let's take another example. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order and in descending order. 3,23,567, 31,572, 3,37,482, 5,84,112. Let's arrange this number in ascending order. The first step is to count digits in each number. Whichever number has less digit, that number is called a smaller number. Here you can see that all the rest are having 6 digits, while one number has 5 digits. So, we can say 5 digits number is smallest compared to others. So, in this example, 31,572 is smallest number. Now let's compare other numbers. Second step. If digits are similar, then what to do? Here you can see that all the rest are having 6 digits. So, which of this number is smaller? See the first digit in that situation. In which number first digit is small? Here 5 is the greatest digit. So, that number 5,84,112 is greatest number. But the other two numbers start with 3. Then compare their respective digit in 10,000 place. Here 20,000 is smaller than 30,000. So 3,23,567 less than 3,37,482. So numbers in ascending order are 31,572 less than 3,23,567 less than 3,37,482 less than 5,84,112. Numbers in descending order are 5,84,112 greater than 3,37,482 greater than 3,23,567 greater than 31,572. Now solve this exercise. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order and descending order. Topic: Forming numbers. We have already learned about the ascending and descending order of numbers. Now we will be using the same principles to form numbers from given numbers. Let us take an example here. 5 different number cards are given here. 2, 7, 3, 8, 5. When we arrange the given number cards from the greatest to the smallest digit, we get the greatest 5-digit number. Greatest possible 5-digit number is 87532, means 87,532. When we arrange these number cards from the smallest to the greatest digit, we get the smallest 5-digit number. Smallest possible 5-digit number is 23578, means 23,578. See another example. Write the greatest and the smallest 6-digit numbers using the digits 2, 5, 0, 1, 3 and 7. To form the smallest number using the given digits, start with number 1 and not with 0, as otherwise it will become a 5-digit number. Hence, 102,357 means 1,02,357 is the smallest 6-digit number. To form the greatest number, arrange the digits in descending order. Hence, the greatest 6-digit number formed using the same digits is 753,210, means 7,53,210. This means that whenever there is 0 while forming a small number, it is in the second place. Now solve this exercise. Form the smallest and the greatest 6-digit numbers without repeating the given digits. Topic: Rounding of the numbers. Rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. The result is less accurate but easier to use. When rounding off, look at the digit just to the right of the rounding digit. Suppose rounding off a number to nearest 10. Then look at the ones digit. If it is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, round down to lower 10. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, round up to upper 10. Rounding off number to the nearest 100. Look at the tens digit. If it is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, round down to lower 100. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, round up to upper 100. Now in case rounding of a number to the nearest 1000, look at the hundreds digit. If it is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, round down to lower 1000. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, round up to upper 1000. Now let's see example of how to round off. Round to nearest 10. Let's consider the number 313. To round off to the nearest significant number, consider tens place and follow the steps. Identify the digit present in the tens place, that is 1. Identify the next smallest place in the number, that is 3. If the smallest place digit is greater than or equal to 5, then round up the digit. Since the digit in the smallest place is less than 5, round down has to done, and also the digit remains unchanged. Every other digit becomes 0. So, the final number is 310. Let's take another example. Let's consider number 499. To round off to the nearest significant number, consider tens place and follow the steps. Identify the digit present in the tens place, that is 9. Identify the next smallest place in the number, that is 9. If the smallest place digit is greater than or equal to 5, then round up the digit, as the digit in the ones place is greater than 5. So, plus 1 has to be added. Therefore, 9 plus 1, 10, and then 1 is carried to the next place. So, final number is 500. Round to nearest 100. Let's consider the number 3350. To round off to the nearest significant number, consider hundreds place and follow the steps. Identify the digit present in the hundreds place, that is 3. Identify the next smallest place in the number, that is 5. If the smallest place digit is greater than or equal to 5, then round up the digit. Now, add plus 1 to the digit in the 100 place. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, the other digits become 0. So, the final number is 3400. Let's consider the number 5812. To round off to the nearest significant number, consider 100 place and follow the steps. Identify the digit present in the hundreds place, that is 8. Identify the next smallest place in the number, that is 1. Since the digit in the smallest place is less than 5, round down has to be done, and also the digit remains unchanged. Every other digit becomes 0. So, the final number is 5800. Round to nearest 1000. Let's consider the number 3350. To round off to the nearest significant number, consider 1000 place and follow the steps. Identify the digit present in the 1000 place, that is 3. Identify the next smallest place in the number, that is 3. Since the digit in the smallest place is less than 5, round down has to be done, and also the digit remains unchanged. Every other digit becomes 0. So, the final number is 3000. Let's consider the number 5812. To round off to the nearest significant number, consider 1000 place and follow the steps. Identify the digit present in the 1000 place, that is 5. Identify the next smallest place in the number, that is 8. If the smallest place digit is greater than or equal to 5, then round up the digit. Now add plus 1 to the digit in the 1000 place. So, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, the other digits become 0. So, the final number is 6000. Now, solve this exercise. Round off the given numbers nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Topic: Roman numerals. Roman numerals are a way of counting. These were introduced by the Romans in Rome during ancient times. Many years later, Roman numerals slowly began to be replaced by Hindu-Arabic numerals, which were more convenient. The numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 were first used by the Hindus and later by the Arabs to represent numbers. Hence, this system was called Hindu-Arabic numerals. Have you ever seen a clock like this? Its dial has numbers from 1 to 12 written in Roman number system. Roman numerals are based on the following 7 symbols. That is IVX, LCD, M. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. The numbers 1 to 10 can be expressed in Roman numerals as given. 1 I, 2 means double I, 3 means triple I, 4 means IV, 5 means V, 6 means VI, 7 means V double I, 8 means V triple I, 9 means IX and 10 means X. We can write larger numbers also using Roman numerals. For that, we need to understand the rules first. Now, let's see rules for writing Roman numerals. Numbers are formed by combining symbols as per certain rules. There is no 0 in the Roman number system. The numbers start from 1. Rule number 1. When a symbol is repeated, it means addition. For example, I means 1. So, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. X means 10. So, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. C means 100. So, 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. Only I, X, C and M are repeated. V, L and D are not repeated. A symbol can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times. Rule number 2. When a smaller numeral is written to the right of a greater numeral, the numerals are added. For example, VI. V means 5, I means 1. So, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. XII. X means 10, I means 1. So, 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. LXII. L means 50, X means 10, I means 1. So, 50 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 63. Rule number 3. When a greater numeral is written to the right of smaller numeral, the numerals are subtracted. For example, IV. I means 1, V means 5. So, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. IX. I means 1, X means 10. So, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. XL. X means 10, L means 50. So, 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Rule number 4. When a smaller numeral is written between two greater numerals. It is always subtracted from the greater numeral appearing just after it. For example, x, I, x. X means 10. Ix means 9. So, 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. XLIV. XL means 40. IV means 4. So, number is 44. XCIX. XC means 90. IX means 9. So, number is 99. Rule number 5. V is not written to the left of X. In the same way, L and D are not written to the left of a bigger number. We can write XV, but not VX. Same way, we can write LV, but not VL. Now, solve this exercise. In the first part, what Roman numerals represent 4 given numbers? While in the second part, write the value of Roman numerals. Now, let's see more examples. How will you write 836 as a Roman numeral? Let's write expanded form of 836 in Roman numbers. 500 plus 300 plus 30 plus 6. 500 means D. 300 means C, C, C. 30 means X, X, X. 6 means V, I. So, 836 means D, C, C, X, 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 V, I. How will you write 1673 as a Roman numeral? For that, first step, write the expanded form in Roman numbers. 1000 plus 500 plus 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 3. 1000 means M, 500 means D, 100 means C, 50 means L, 20 means X, X, 3 means I. So, 1673 means M, D, C, L, X, X, I. Before moving to the next example, remember this point. A bar written over a number multiplies the value of the symbol by 1000. For example, 5 upper side written a bar, then it's a 5000. 6 upper side written bar, it means 6 multiplied by 1000. So, here express 6421 as Roman numeral. For that, first write expanded form in Roman numbers. 6000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 1. How to write 6000? First write 6 upper side row bar. 400 means CD. 20 means XX. 1 means I. So, 6421 means 6 upper side row bar CD XXI. Now, let's see last topic of this chapter, addition and subtraction of Roman numerals. Add D, C, 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 I and C, D, X, X, I and write the answer as a Roman numeral. For that, first of all, write number. D, C, 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 I. D means 500. C, C, C means 300. I means 1. So, 500 plus 300 plus 1 is equal to 801. C, D, X, X, I. C, D means 400. X, X means 20. I means 2. 400 plus 20 plus 2 is equal to 422. So, 801 plus 422 is equal to 1223. Now write this 1223 in Roman numeral. 1000 means M, 200 means CC, 20 means XX, 3 means I. Okay. Now let's see another example. Subtract CCCVII from MCCXVIII and write the answer as a Roman numeral. For that, first write the number. CCC means 300, V means 5, I means 2. So 300 plus 5 plus 2, 307. Now MCCXVIII. M means 1000, CC means 200, X means 10, V means 5, I means 3. So 1000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 1218. So 1218 minus 307 is equal to 911. Now express this 911 in Roman numeral. 900 how to write? CM. 10 how to write? X. 1 how to write? I. So final answer is CMXI. Now solve this exercise. Find the sum or difference and write the answer as Roman numerals. Thank you.